Hi, Zorp is an operations platform that helps you build tools for your specific business needs in just a few minutes. Let's say you are a lending company and you want to create a simple document collection application for your people on the ground. Let's see how something like that would work on Zorp. You start with collecting the customer's name. You enter the phone number of the customer, choose their gender, and enter the loan amount. You can collect the documents by using a camera or uploading an image from gallery. You can also collect the address proof and take a picture of the customer, again using camera. Now that the documents are completely collected, we can also collect the location of the customer. So we enter a sample location. And the current location of the agent is taken as the location of the customer. And I submit, the documents that have been collected is pushed to an internal system. Now this is a simple application that can be built in Zorp in under 10 minutes. We start with creating the workflow. The workflow in our case is the series of steps that are involved in collecting the documents. If you remember, we had 4 steps in our particular application. One is for collecting the user details, second is for collecting the documents, the third one for collecting the location, and the final one is an acknowledgement screen. So we create 4 different screens and connect them one after the other. Alright, our flow is ready. Now it's time to start designing the individual screens one by one. So the first screen, if you remember, is the place where we collect the customer details. The app can be visually designed by using the components that are available on the left. So to collect the customer's name, I can drag and drop a text input component and give the label customer name. Now the data that is collected in customer's name needs to be stored in a database. So Zorp by default provides a database along with every application, so you can store or read data from the database very easily. So in this case, we will save the customer's name into a data field called customer name. So Zorp provides some data fields by default, but in this case we want something custom, so we can always create a new data field. I'm going to create one called customer name, which is of the type text. Similarly, in order to collect the customer's phone number, I use a number component. And I save it to a data field called phone number. And finally, we'll collect the gender of the particular customer. For this, I can use a radio component. Alright, our first screen is ready. We'll name the screen to customer info. So the next screen is the completed screen. So the next screen is the document collection screen. We'll rename the CTA from complete to collect documents. Alright. Here we collect 3 documents. One is for ID proof. For that we can use a camera component and we can save it to an ID proof field, which is an image. And I want to collect at least one image, and I can allow both camera and gallery. Similarly, we'll create a new field for address proof. The last one is the customer's picture. And for this, I'll allow only camera, and I require at least one image here. Now the document collection screen is also done. So the third screen is the location collection screen. Here I want to collect an address, for which I can use a text component, text input component. And in order to collect the customer's latitude and longitude, I can use a map component. And instead of using a static latitude and longitude, I can collect the device location that is directly offered by the Zorp system. So I can go to the logged in user, the user location and latitude. And for longitude, I go to logged in user, user location and longitude. Simple as that. In the last screen, I can show an acknowledgement. For this, I use a text display field. Alright, our entire application is fully ready. Now all we have to do is hit publish to go live with the application. So the moment you hit publish, the app is instantly live on Play Store, App Store. So you can use a Zorp mobile app, scan the QR code and start executing this application. We collect the customer's name, the phone number, the gender, the documents we can collect an address proof, an ID proof, an address proof, customer picture, and once these are uploaded, we can start collecting the customer's address. Next, and our application is complete. So this is a simple application we're able to create in a matter of 5 minutes using the Zorp platform. Zorp can be used for any operational workflow like sales, document collection, cash collection, logistics, supply chain, KYC, customer onboarding, and more use cases. And a purpose-built application that's very specific to your business needs is easily built on top of Zorp. Thank you for listening.